Here we are at the Metro Arts Collaborative Arts Integration Symposium hosted by Johnson County Community College. We're here for 2.5 days of arts integrated learning by Kennedy Center teaching artists, and we have 110 participants, teachers, teaching artists, and administrators, and we're so pleased to have them here.
This entire area has become committed to using this strategy, this approach to teaching in ways that benefit their students and also give joy and excitement to the teachers. So what I'm seeing happen is that they're taking away things they're immediately going to be using in the classroom and talking about what they will do at the beginning of the year and how they're going to set the stage for student engagement and student productions of their understanding and turning that into art forms. What's been wonderful also is that students are responding to what the teachers are doing, and then that gives teachers the confidence to try more.
I feel like I have had the answers to the questions that I was thinking about all summer about how I'm going to take my teaching practice and have life-changing lessons every day in my classroom. I feel like the soft skills that I want my students to have, which are to be collaborative, to be communicative, to be creative, and to be actively 100% engaged.
One of the challenges we have as teachers is we have our own particular way of expressing ourselves in the world and taking in the world. Our challenge is to reach others who don't learn the same way that we do. And as teachers, we've got to be able to be flexible enough to use those other modalities.
If you build it and set it up that we're all in this, it's a team and it's not about friendship, it puts them all in the same playing field. So where they all know that they're responsible for the success or the failure of the team. And I think making sure you use that language is going to be so impactful. I know at our building, the diversity of our students is changing so dramatically that I think this is going to be so impactful for them because it's something that they're all going to be capable of doing. It's just going to be at whatever level they're capable of doing it at.
I think it enhances the learning community by encouraging us to tune into who we are as individuals and how to communicate, how to learn individually and collectively. And through this workshop, the collaboration, being able to talk to other people, to think about what we're doing and being able to verbalize that and to know that there's no mistake, there's no right or wrong response, and just feeling comfortable with whatever our individual response is.
It enhances us by getting the kids actively involved in what you're doing. They have to learn at a deeper level because they're having to perform and really show their learning. The techniques I'm learning just seamlessly fit into the classroom, and just without even trying, they meet all the diverse learners because everybody's on the same playing field when we start, and they're having to show any way they can that they are learning. So they each have an opportunity to really prove what they're experiencing.
They can engage with artists, professional artists, and master works, and they can create their own works back in the classroom. They can make connections, they can respond to what they see here, and it's all part of growing into a well-rounded person.
When young people are exposed to the arts through arts integration practices in their classroom, as well as arts experiences, whether it be at the Carlson Center, the Nerman Museum, or at other arts organizations throughout the area, it builds lifelong creative learners and lifelong arts appreciators.
The teachers here have been so reflective, so motivated, so eager to change their teaching practices so that students are as engaged as they possibly can be. It's been a really powerful 3 days of learning.
The fact that teachers gave up 2.5 days of their summer to develop new networks, to take risks with each other, to become colleagues, and also to push each other was just incredible. The dedication that they show to students means to me that students all around the metropolitan area are going to be changing and growing in ways they never have before.